Hi, Carol here from Tiny Space Health. Going to do some balances today. These are ones that I do in my own training. So yeah, come and join me. Here we go. Step onto your right leg, plant your foot in there, spread the toes, and then just lift up your left leg. You can be here if you like, okay, if that's easier for you. And lift up here. Arms out to the side to balance, for your balance. And we're just staying here for a little while. But remember, if you want, you can have the foot down. If you want to, you can actually even lift the arms up here. Sometimes I do this in my training. And then we're going to bring them back down. Bring that leg out, open the hip, keeping that foot really planted to the floor, keeping your posture upright as well. You can even hold this if you want to with this leg, with this hand, and keeping your balance. Remember, if you want to, you can be down here. Could just be there and you're going, oh, okay, this is okay. And then they just lift it every now and then. That's fine too. Okay, let's just bring it back to the front. Put it down. And then we're just going to go up on our toes. Go up on the toes. Balance is here. Use your arms for balance if you need. Or if you want to, make it a little bit harder, you can be up on your toes here. And arms up. Pull the shoulders. Pull these arms back away so they're not in your peripheral vision. Ideally. Okay, arms down. But everybody's different. Just roll the shoulders. Okay, we're going to go the other side. So plant the foot. Plant the left foot. Spread the toes. Lift this foot. You're going to bring it to the front. Balance. Hold it there if you like, or lift it up. Excellent. Talking to myself. Excellent, Carol. I'm talking to you out there. Okay. Okay, we got it. Remember, your arms can be wherever you want them to be. Bring them out to the side. Bring the leg out to the side. You can hold it with your hand if you like. Remember, you can have it down here if you like as well. If you're just having a bad balance day, because we all have them. And you might just be there, and that's fine. Okay, let's just hold it. I don't like holding these balances myself for like 3 minutes. I'm not into that. I just hold them for a little while, and then I just move around and do something else, like go on my toes. So go on your toes, balance, posture nice and tall, not hunched over, shoulders away from the ears. Stay up on your toes if you can. You want to make it harder, come up here. Nice and tall on the toes. Coming back down. Okay, just roll the shoulders. Do that one more time. It'll be a little bit quicker this time. Okay, plant the foot. Okay, lifting up. So your left leg's lifting, right leg is planted. Here, back to the side. We're going to bring it out to the side. And then we're going to bring it back to the front. Okay, moving it around. Lift a little bit more, kick it out, flex the foot, and bring it down. That's a bit of a challenge for you if you want to try it. Roll the shoulders up on your toes, not for long. 3, 2, and 1. Bring it down. Okay, other side. Lift it up. So even if you've got on the floor, hold it here, yeah? You know what to do, don't you? If you've got the leg up, just bring it out to the side. If you've got it on the floor, that's fine. You go here. Bring it back to the front. If you're on the floor, you know what to do. Kick it out, which means if you've got your foot on the floor, just go like that. Yeah. And then bring it in. Okay. Roll the shoulders, because that hits the arms and shoulders a little bit there. Up on the toes, reaching up and back down. Excellent. Okay. Not staying with anything for too long. One of my other favorites is the star. So we're stepping to the side like this. Foot is not to the front, it's up this way. So we're spreading the toes, planting the foot. So right leg here. Then I'm going to show you the easier version first. So we're going to go star. So hands, spread the fingers, star, like this. Open the chest, toes on the floor. Okay, you can be here, but if you want to challenge yourself, or if you want to, this is what I do. Legs up. So really working outside of the thigh here, the muscles on the outside of the thigh, but also keeping your balance. So from here, we're going to go straight, and if you hear the foot on the floor, just keep it there. I'll show you with the foot on the floor. We're going to move the hands down, one palm up, palm down. I like to call this pizza. Give me the pizza. You know, it's like pizza on a plate. Okay, so if you've got the foot up, we're here, aren't we? Yeah, hold it. See if you can hold it. 3, 2, and you should be looking at me. 2, 2, because I can see you. 1, and down. Okay, so we're going to do that the other side. Okay, spread the toes, star. Toe down if you want, bend that knee a little bit too. Sorry, I forgot to say that. A little bit of bend in the knee. Lift the leg up. Hold it. So really squeezing the glutes, squeezing the leg to keep the balance. And then we're going to go to the pizza one. So arm comes down, arm comes up. Yeah? You don't have to look at me here. You can look towards a hand wherever you want. I always find it a bit easier to open this way towards you and down. Okay, excellent. Shake it out. I'll ask my director, should I just do that again or should we do the aeroplane? Do it again. Okay, she's saying do it again. Okay, star, so first leg, ready, bend that knee, out, hold it. I'm going to do the harder version. So remember, foot on the floor if you like, spread the fingers. Now, one arm up, palm comes up, palm goes down, pizza. Hold it, flex the foot if you want, just for a change. 3, 2, and 1. Okay, other side. Let's go. Spread the foot, spread the foot, spread the toes. Spread the foot if you can. All right, star. We're here. Open. Really remember, this arm doesn't come forward. Open the chest, spread the fingers. Keep your balance. Leg comes up if you like. Hold. 3, 2, and 1. Pizza delivery. Here we go. Palms up. Hold it, really pushing out with that foot and the fingers. 3, 2, and 1. Okay, shake it out. We might just stay with that for today. What do you think, director? Yeah, she's going, yeah, that's good for today. Shake it out, roll it out. If you need to have a stretch, we have stretching videos. Join me for that. And yeah, have a great day and thanks for joining me and we'll see you next time. See you, bye.